subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Galaxy A51 and A71, now Samsung seems to launch more smartphones under Galaxy A2020 series, which might include Galaxy A21, A31, A41 and A81. Recently, a smartphone case renders has surfaced online by /leaks, which is said to be Galaxy A21, that reveals the design of the upcoming smartphone. According to the case renders, the Galaxy A21 will come with a water drop notch style display for selfie camera, which could be the part of Samsung's Infinity V display. The edges of the screen is covered by thin bezels similar to Galaxy A20 that was launched earlier this year. On the rear, the device appears to have gradient finish that carries vertically aligned triple camera setup at the top left corner, including LED flash. And there is also a rear mounted fingerprint sensor present on this device. The volume rockers along with the power button are visible at the right edge, while the left edge appears to be bare. The bottom of the phone is seen to have 3.5mm headphone jack, microphone, speaker grill and a USB Type-C charging port. Apart from this, there is no other details of Galaxy A21 has leaked so far, and we will have to wait for the official confirmation from the company. So, as of now, that's all we know about the Galaxy A21 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.